Good morning, students. You are welcome in the 11th chapter of your social science course, and the title of our chapter is Our Natural Resources. See, nature has given us water, air, soil, minerals, plants, animals, and so on. These are called gifts of nature. We use these gifts of nature to fulfill our daily needs. For example, wind is a gift of nature. When humans learned to generate electricity from wind using windmills, wind became a resource for them. Now, what is resources and their types? All materials available in our environment which satisfy our needs are called resources, and they are of two types. All natural things such as land, air, water, soil, minerals, forest, and animals are known as natural resources. And things made by humans using natural resources are called human-made resources like buildings, roads, machines, and electricity. Now, types of natural resources. There are two types of natural resources: exhaustible resources and inexhaustible resources. Some natural resources such as metal like iron, copper, aluminium, and fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas are available in a limited quantity. Once we use up these resources, we cannot create any more of them. So, such resources are called exhaustible resources, and they are also called non-renewable resources. Coal is an important source of power. It is used to cook, heat, and to generate electricity. It is also used to run steam engines and factories. Our country has large reserves of coal, and these reserves are, however, limited. And petroleum is also known as black gold. It is refined to produce petrol and diesel. These are used as fuel in cars, buses, scooters, ships, and aeroplanes. The petroleum reserves are limited, and they are also not available in every country. Next one is inexhaustible resources. Some natural resources do not get exhausted. These are called inexhaustible resources like solar energy, air, water, plants, and animals. These are the example of inexhaustible resources. They can be renewed, so these are also called renewable resources. The energy of a sun is called solar energy. Plants make food using this energy. It is also used to light streets, cook, heat water, and generate electricity. Air is an important natural resource. All living things need air to live, and wind is used to generate electricity. Then water is needed for drinking, washing, cooking, growing crops, and many other purposes. Electricity generated from falling water is called hydroelectricity. And plants give us food to eat and oxygen to breathe. Almost all animals depend upon plants for food, and trees prevent soil erosion and give shelter to many animals. This is why plants are called green gold. And soil is needed to grow plants, and fertile soil is good for crops. Now, we must use natural resources very carefully so that they last long. For example, groundwater is a renewable natural resource, but if we take out more water from under the ground, then what rain can add? Our groundwater reserves will get exhausted. This will lead to water shortage. So, here are some ways to conserve natural resources. We must not pollute air, water, and soil. and we must plant more trees, we must not hunt wild animals, we must save electricity, and we must develop other resources of energy. So that's all in this chapter. Thank you.